What is going on, guys? I want to talk today volume profile to find where Bitcoin is going as well as where Ethereum is going. Haven't done this video in like a month or so, so it's time for an update, especially after the dump this week. Everyone are super panic. Everyone, I mean new retail that are in the game. If you've been here for a while, you already know the game. It checks all the newbies and then it goes back up. Shakes all the newbies, go back up. That's basically it. If you like what you see, subscribe. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. If you want me to do more crypto videos, I used to, in the last 2-3 months, I'm focusing on my lending business, which is super great, don't get me wrong. But a lot of you guys follow me from my crypto days. So let me know, even though YouTube is very crowded now with the stuff about crypto. But either way, let's see where the institutions are buying or selling Bitcoin. That's the most important key, not what you see or hear on social media. So let's go. So here we go. We got Bitcoin futures. Okay, the ticker symbol, by the way, this is think or swim. Ticker symbol, you just do /BTC. Okay, /BTC. Price today 57,995. Let's call it 58. We were at almost $70,000. That was the super hype about 2 weeks ago when everyone talked about Bitcoin. I heard about Bitcoin from people that are close to me and have never talked about Bitcoin before. That was the sign for me that we are either at the beginning of the end of this bubble or we're about to sell off. So all those new people will probably sell a week later for a loss and never look at crypto again. Volume profile. Volume profile is all of this. This is what the institutions are doing. This is what long-term day trader, 10 years and up that have been profitable are using to make trades. Not necessarily in crypto, just in general, but I use this as well as a guide. So what do we have for Bitcoin? First of all, this was the top of the top. What was the number top of the top? 69,322. Interesting. 69,245. Okay, let's call it 69,000. I assume this is why it started to sell off. But if you look here, this is the people. Okay, this is not institution volume. All this is volume. This volume indicates to me this little pop at the all-time high was retail. Of course it's retail. That tells me there is absolutely no demand. It's dynamic. Okay, I gotta mention this again. It's dynamic, but as of today, there's absolutely no demand for Bitcoin at 69,000. So if you just got into the crypto game the last 2 weeks, well, most likely it will go up, but most likely you will probably sell for a loss and never touch Bitcoin again because you just heard about it all over and then you bought. And I got nothing for you. There's a little bit of support. Okay, let's keep going. There's a little bit of institutions buying in here at 61. Not a lot, and that's why we went straight down from here. There's a lot more of support in here of institution. This price is what we got, 55.6. Let's call it 55. Okay, 55.7, 50, anywhere between around 55,000. We're almost there. We're at 58. So at 55, we're gonna start seeing a lot of support. Ideally, you want to buy something, even stocks, not just Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ideally, you want to buy something here. Okay. You want to buy something below the yellow line. This is the majority of institutions. I'm gonna get to this in a minute. Let's get to this now. This is the majority of institutions. Smart money, okay? Smart money. This is the daily chart, by the way. Smart money bought Bitcoin at the price of 19,000, exactly a year ago. That's when I saw on TikTok a lot of videos posted, a whole bunch of new whales wallet starting to accumulate Bitcoin. I didn't know at the time what it means. It means that institution poured money into Bitcoin at 20, not at 69, at 20,000. Okay, and then there was just a little support here. Okay, so basically it went from 20 to 32. We stayed at 32 a lot a couple of months ago. Then a lot of support here at 36. We stayed there as well. A lot of support. This is all institutions. You think that retail pushed the money to the price to crazy highs, but institutions are already selling and dumping on you. This is 47, but basically we got just because there's a yellow line doesn't mean that institutions are winning. You see, there's not support in the yellow line, which is 52. So basically we got this level 55, give or take 55, 56, and after that, if this doesn't hold, we got ourselves 48, even more support at 48. After that we got 38, 32, and back to 20. I don't think we will go there. I think we will either stop. If this bull run is gonna keep moving forward at least till January, hopefully a lot more, but at least we're gonna need to be at 55. My guess, 55 or 48. Maybe we get a shakedown to 48. A lot of newbies will sell out, and institutions will support us more. Because you see the volume here on the 48 is higher than the 55, which is higher than the 62, which is higher than retail FOMOing, and 67 and up, thinking that we're going to 100K because that's what they saw on social media. Okay, let's move on to Ethereum, just so we can tell you what's going on here. Same thing, /ETH. Okay, let me clear a little bit of this, but basically, okay, yeah, I wasn't prepared for this video, but you know what, I'm busy with my other stuff. Anyway, let me show you what we got in here. I apologize, feel free to send one polydodge. I'll send you one polydodge if you say that this wasn't professional, or 10 million polydodge. I'm not selling polydodge anytime soon. I'm not making the same Shiba mistake I did before. Okay, but that's a different video, which I will do hopefully in the next few days. Ethereum 42. We were at 4,000, a little below that yesterday. We were at 5,000 last week, or 10 days ago. Same thing with Bitcoin. Let's see what we got institution-wide. Same story. You see here, 48.99. All this is retail. All this is retail. Retail FOMOing on Ethereum from 46 to 49. However, very important, this volume, look at this finger right here. This volume just shows you, it shows you that there's more support to Ethereum than Bitcoin, institution-wise. There's more volume. There's more volume. There's a little more. There's a little support at Ethereum at 45. A lot more support at Ethereum at 41. We're already at 42, so we're back. And the yellow line starts here. Okay, the yellow line starts here, and there is volume at the yellow line. 3,700 level. There's a lot of support as well at 39. There's a lot of support for Ethereum. No matter how you spin it, majority of support is all of this, and the major amount of institutions is in the blue line, which is 32. Okay, so don't think that the institutions bought the Ethereum at 250 like a year ago. Institutions are piling up to Ethereum at 32, and they will keep supporting their mission. If Ethereum goes to 27, if Ethereum goes to 22, there's the bell to start the day. And if Ethereum goes to below 1900 and 17, 15 here, that's like it's not, it could happen, of course it could happen, but that's like a great time to load on Ethereum, basically below 2000, which we were a few months ago. And if you didn't, because you thought that Ethereum goes to zero, that you got only yourself to blame. to blame. Either way, those are the levels. We are back at 42, and you see there's support at 42. We jumped from right here, from 39.90, something like that. There's support for Ethereum non-stop. The gas fees are the problem. Gas fees are insane. This is why I am super bullish on Polygon. This is my coin to accumulate for the whole 2022. I'm gonna do a separate video about Polygon and Polydodge as well. Aave is already in my bag, but Ethereum, the fees are. I think Polygon is gonna win between all those, layer 2 side chains, helper. But not a lot of people talking about Polygon, which is a shame. It already went up from like 2 cents to $2. It's $1.50, $1.60 now. But I see it. I see it surprising on the next year. But this is crazy. If Ethereum keeps going up, you gotta understand. If Ethereum goes to, let's say even 10,000, just for the example. Let's say Ethereum goes to 10,000, everyone are happy. I am happy as well, but if you want to buy or sell any coin on whatever exchange, you're gonna pay, let's say you pay what, 3% Ethereum, that's what, $300, and just on normal. And when retail comes in, that's $300 becomes like 2,000, $1,500 to transact on Ethereum. That's a lot of money that people just, and this is why it can't sustain itself, and this is why one solution will come. Not all those solutions, Arbitrum, Ethereum Optimizer. Well, there's a lot of names out there. I think Polygon is my bet, and I'm gonna start accumulating a huge bag long term of Polygon. That's a side note. I will do a video. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye bye.